Imagine this: a drone dives deep beneath the waves, scanning what should be an empty patch of ocean floor. But then, there it is, a shipwreck no one expected. And inside, a cargo that shouldn't even exist. Not ancient pottery, not gold, but something far stranger. This isn't just a shipwreck. This is a riddle buried in time, possibly not even from our time. And if you're the kind of person who questions what we're told about history, who believes that the truth is often stranger than fiction, then make sure to hit that subscribe button right now, because what we just uncovered may only be the beginning. Now let's dive deeper. It started off routine. A team of marine biologists deployed a drone off the coast of Greenland to track whale migrations. Instead of whales, their sonar pinged something massive, metallic, rectangular, a sunken ship buried deep in silt. But when they sent the drone in closer, nothing made sense. The wreck was resting over 3 miles deep, far below the pressure limits of any 19th century vessel. Ships from that time couldn't even survive the descent, let alone rest perfectly preserved. So, how did it get there? Every known ship carries an identity plaques, engravings, maritime records. This one? Nothing. No registration, no country of origin. Just a sleek hull, far too modern for a wreck that should be over a century old. One drone camera captured a hatch, partially buried under debris. It was dented from the inside, like something was trying to get out. Despite the depth and age, the ship's contents were intact. Barrels sealed, crates stacked. Inside one compartment, clothing styles from the early 1800s. The team recovered a small chunk of metal from one crate. Lab tests revealed an alloy combining elements that weren't refined until the 1950s. It shouldn't exist in an 1800s wreck. So either someone planted it, or we're looking at a ship that crossed time. Among the cargo was a sealed metal box with strange geometric engravings. When X-rayed, it revealed circuit-like patterns inside. Some called it ancient tech. No one could open it, and some researchers got scared to even try. One diver sent to physically inspect the wreck reported a humming noise underwater. Then his comms cut. They found him floating above the wreck 15 minutes later, unconscious, unharmed. But when he woke up, he couldn't stop drawing the same strange symbol over and over again. In a dry, sealed case, they found an old-style leather-bound journal. It had pages dating back to 1823, but the handwriting looked machine-printed. One entry described a storm that hasn't happened yet, predicted in perfect detail. The drones captured footage of strange flickering lights beneath the wreck. No fish, no vents, just shimmering pulses, almost rhythmic. Some claimed it was a beacon. Others called it a warning. But either way, something else is down there. When scientists carbon dated the wood from the hull, the results were bizarre. Some samples came back as over 500 years old, others just 70. How can a single ship be older and younger than itself? Either someone's playing a very elaborate hoax, or we're dealing with a glitch in time. Inside the captain's cabin, they found an old parchment map, not just of our oceans, but with coastlines that don't match modern geography. It showed Antarctica without ice. It even outlined a submerged continent in the Indian Ocean, just like the long-lost legend of Lemuria. During a second dive, the drone picked up a strange signal repeating every 23 seconds. It wasn't sonar, not mechanical, but it was transmitting coordinates. To what? Nobody knows. But it keeps transmitting even now. Every shipwreck is crusted with barnacles, coral, ocean life. The hull was clean, almost repelling life, like it didn't want to be found, or like it hadn't been there very long. So when did it actually sink? A brass compass found on board spins wildly, never pointing north. But when brought near the metal box, it points straight toward it every time, almost like the box is emitting its own magnetic field or calling something. Among the crew quarters, they found a small carved toy, a wooden horse with a tiny barcode engraved underneath. Wait, what? A barcode on an object sealed in a shipwreck, allegedly centuries old. Now, things are officially strange. In one compartment was a sealed cylinder inside it, a chunk of bluish ice. They tried to thaw it under lab lights. It didn't melt, it didn't react, it just stayed frozen, even at boiling temperature. What kind of material is that? The journal wasn't the only source of writing. Some walls in the inner hull were scratched with symbols, not Latin, not Cyrillic. Experts say it's not a language we've seen before, but oddly enough, it resembles markings found in ancient Sumerian ruins, thousands of years older than the wreck itself. There were no skeletons, no remains, not even shoes or clothing, only empty quarters, like they vanished into thin air. Or maybe they were never human in the first place. Beneath layers of crates was a 7-foot-tall object wrapped in thick tarp. When researchers cut it open, they found a polished obelisk, jet black. No seams, no inscriptions, but when touched it, vibrated, and some swear it hummed their name. A strange type of jellyfish was spotted circling the wreck nowhere else in the region. They emit bioluminescence in the same rhythm as the beacon signal. A coincidence? Or are they responding to it? Just days after the first footage was released, government agencies moved in. The site was declared classified. The wreck sealed off. The research team silenced under NDAs. But some footage still leaked online, and that's how we know what happened next. One whistleblower uploaded uncut drone footage frame by frame. You can see something move in the shadows inside the wreck. Not a fish, not machinery. Something with limbs. After the object was removed from the wreck, weather patterns around the region changed. Storms intensified. Ocean temperatures spiked 3 degrees in just 72 hours. Is the obelisk doing something to the planet? That strange signal from earlier? It finally led to a second location in the Pacific. Divers sent there found another wreck. Different ship. Same black obelisk. What's the connection? Across ancient cultures from the Dogon tribe to early Tibet, there are legends of metal ships that fell from the sky. They always carried a black stone, said to grant knowledge or madness. What if this isn't the first time we've found one? One of the symbols from the hull has been spotted hidden in an ancient Mayan temple carving. Thousands of miles, thousands of years, but exactly the same symbol. Coincidence or continuity? Maybe this ship didn't sink in the past. Maybe it came from the future and was buried by time itself, like an echo of what's to come. And if that's true, we may not be explorers, we might be the ones being watched. Before the footage ends, there's a final shot on the inside wall of the captain's quarters, carved in English, freshly just 3 words. We'll return soon. If this made your heart race, your brain spin, or your curiosity catch fire, hit subscribe, because this isn't the last shipwreck, and what lies beneath might be waiting for you.